In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage activities in Pipedrive. Activities are the heartbeat of your daily workflow in Pipedrive. They keep your calls, meetings, emails, and follow-ups organized and on schedule. Let's start at the source. Open Pipedrive and head to the Activities menu in the left sidebar. This is your hub for everything you need to do. From here, click the plus sign labeled Add Activity to create something new. You'll see a form with all the key details. Begin with a clear, short title. Think of something you can recognize at a glance, like Call with Client or Prepare Proposal. Next, choose the activity type. Pipedrive includes common types such as Call, Meeting, Task, Lunch, and Email, and you can also use custom types if your team has set them up. Picking the right type helps you filter and report on your work later. Set the date, time, and duration so your schedule reflects exactly when the activity will happen and how long you expect it to take. Keeping durations realistic prevents overlap and makes your day more manageable. Assign an owner, which is simply the person responsible for getting it done. If you work in a team, this ensures the right teammate has the activity on their radar. Linking the activity is a small step with a big payoff. You can associate it with an existing deal, a specific person, or an organization. This keeps all related communication and tasks in one place, so when you open a deal or contact, you'll see every touch point tied to it. If others need to be involved, add them as guests. You can invite internal teammates or external attendees. When guests are included, Pipedrive will send email notifications, helping everyone stay aligned without extra effort. Add a location if you're meeting in person, or paste in a video meeting link for online sessions. Use the description or notes area to capture context, talking points, or anything you'll want at your fingertips when the time comes. The more precise your notes, the easier it is to act confidently, even if the activity is scheduled weeks out. When everything looks good, click Save. Your activity is now stored, visible on your activity list and calendar, and connected to any linked deals or contacts. That's it. With just a few thoughtful fields, you've created a clear, trackable next step that keeps your pipeline moving and your day structured.